feeling absolutely overwhelmed trying to sell your house in Maryland? Do you need a fast and reliable solution? Well, at Brad Buys Houses, also known as We Buy Maryland Homes, we understand the challenges of selling a home, and we're right here to help you through it with ease. Forget about repairs, forget about long waits, and forget about hidden costs. Hi, my name is Brad, and I'm dedicated to helping homeowners across the entire state of Maryland sell their houses quickly and without hassle. With our cash offers, you can sell your home as is, and there's no need for repairs or costly updates. Now here's how our process works. Step 1, reach out to us. You can call the number on your screen, or you can fill out a form at webuymdhomes.com. Step 2, get a no obligation cash offer based on your home's current condition and market value. There's no hidden fees, and you're under absolutely no obligation to accept. Step 3, choose your closing date. If you decide to move forward, we can close in as little as 14 days, and you'll walk away with cash in your pocket. Now you're probably asking some questions, and that's completely normal. For example, Brad, is it really that straightforward? Well, yes, it is. We simplify everything for you. We eliminate the need for inspections or lengthy negotiations. Okay, but can I trust the process? Well, we know that trust is absolutely vital, and that's why we focus on transparency. We are BBB A+ accredited, and our high Google rating speaks for itself. We explain how we determine our offers. That ensures there's no surprises. Sounds good, but what are the benefits of selling to a cash buyer? Well, for starters, we can close quickly, often in just a few days. There's no need for repairs or cleaning, and we take care of everything. And most importantly, our services are entirely free. There's no realtor fees, there's no closing costs, there's no hidden charges. You get peace of mind with a stress-free way to sell your home fast. So whether you're dealing with a difficult property, an inherited home, perhaps facing a divorce or facing a foreclosure, just reach out to us for a personalized, no obligation cash offer today. If you'd like to learn more, just visit us at webuymdhomes.com or give us a call. We're here to answer your questions with no pressure and no obligation whatsoever. At We Buy Maryland Homes, we are committed to making your home selling journey smooth, easy, and worry-free.